Hello friends, my name is Musa Tokmak. I am the author of the Erasmus Plus Sample Projects books, and I have expertise in the field of Erasmus. If we use ChatGPT while writing a project, it will really be a very helpful program for us, both during the project writing phase and in increasing the likelihood of our project being accepted. In this context, the best thing we can do is to directly benefit from ChatGPT when writing Erasmus K122, 210, 220, Sport 152, 153, 154, 155, or in short, Youth or SCC projects. What we need to do is to go to the ChatGPT page and define the projects we will write about regarding ChatGPT. And first, we should introduce ourselves to ChatGPT. After providing the necessary information, we can ask ChatGPT the questions from the project form and get answers. Of course, before that, if you're using the free version, you can upload 3 documents to ChatGPT. One of these documents should be the Erasmus Repel, friends. If you have them, upload the sample projects you have. Because if there are accepted sample projects or good projects that you see that can be examples, you can upload them and train ChatGPT. Thus, the trained ChatGPT will provide you with information in a much better and more useful way. I recommend that you do not use the answers provided by ChatGPT directly. So, in the end, ChatGPT also has detectors, and its outputs can be identified by national agencies. In this context, the best thing we can do is to blend and mix the answers we receive with our own thoughts to create our own unique responses in our own format. In this context, sometimes we need to think about how we will answer certain questions, what methods we will use, and what kind of approach we will take. If we answer the questions, it increases the likelihood of acceptance. At this point, I assure you that ChatGPT is very beneficial for us. I definitely recommend that you use ChatGPT or AI programs when writing Erasmus Plus projects. It's not just ChatGPT, for example, Bing.com also has a Copilot application. If you can use AI like this, believe me, the likelihood of your Erasmus projects being accepted will increase. What is the difference between a trained ChatGPT and an untrained ChatGPT? It will